Hi, this is your ProSeries supportability video series. We're bringing you another video on how to recover lost files. The normal way we see files lost are through antivirus or backup utilities running active scans on our data folder, and they will interfere and cause the file to vanish. There is a way to recover them. Best thing to do first is to exclude any real-time scanning from the data folder. That is beyond the scope of this video, but we'll show you how to recover the files. When you go to click on a record, you'll see this type of message: could not locate file, browse. That tells you that something has happened to that file. So what you want to do first is to cancel. Close ProSeries. Go to C. I'm using a network install, so I'm going to go to C, ProSeries, ProNet 1919 data. If you're using a standalone install, it would be ProWin 1919 data. If you're using prior year programs, it would be ProWin XXXX data. So we'll go in here to the data folder, to the shared component, into the data folder. You want to look for a file similar to this. It'll have a TMP on it. And you want to look for the TMP file that is closest to the last time you saw the file. You were in the file working on it. So use the date modified and the time to locate the one closest to the time you remember you were working on it. Once you locate that, right click, rename, and change the TMP to, in this case, 19I or 18I, 17I, 16I, depending on what year you're looking for the file in, and hit enter. You'll get this box here by changing the extension, and now you'll see a ProSeries 19 icon by it. Now, if you double click this file, it'll open ProSeries into the data file. Now, if you go in here and you do not see any TMP files, something else has happened. And unfortunately, you're going to need to rekey that return, transfer from the prior year, and rekey it. But if you see the temp file, these steps will help you recover it. All right, you'll need to sign in. And now you're in the data return. So what you want to look for, you want to make sure this is the last one you have. This is the most recent. If you have other temp files in there, you might want to go back through and do the same steps on those to find the most recent. But once you found it, go to File, Save As, change the name to whatever the name was. And save it. And return to home base. And now I'm able to open that data file. So the excluding ProSeries from antivirus, backup utilities, malware programs, because all of them are set up a little different, that's way beyond the scope of this video, but you would need to do that to have this stop happening. With that, This is the end of this video. Please subscribe to the ProSeries Supportability YouTube channels and have a good day.